Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks Part 3. I just can't stop. And I just realized I didn't really ever do anything to make this look like the end of the banana. But you could work that in. Uh, there's going to be some graphic artists that'll probably laugh. But keep in mind, I'm a laser engraver and I don't get to work with color. I'm not going to go through the whole thing. I took a slice of banana off the internet and took this. I'm going to do I've already traced it. You can see there's no bitmap. And I'm going to take my knife tool that I've never used before, and I'm going to make kind of like a curved arch. And then I can get rid of that piece. Now I brought in this piece and it's not the right size and probably not the right color. You know what? I think I could get rid of the piece and there's actually a watermark there. The piece I picked has a little shine to it. So let's take these nodes and kind of bring this down. We can delete a lot of, just got rid of this kind of like this shadow. Now I'm going to take my smoothing tool and see I can actually kind of smooth away that edge that's darker and get the shape tool. And, it doesn't have to be perfectly round because it's a banana. And I'm going to call that good. Now, though, a graphic artist do a lot better than I can on this. But, you need it to look like, well, it's a little bit too small now. And somehow you could conform that into there and make it kind of look like, there might be a way to do that. Anyway, that's not really what I've decided to do. And then I'm going to kind of squish it. And that looks pretty good. You know what? We could probably squish it enough. And you know what? Let's add a perspective to this. Kind of bring this maybe to kind of like that and then make it maybe a little bit bigger. I'm trying to kind of conform it to that shape. And there's probably a lot better way. And you know what? Let's do this. Let's, this is on front. Let's go to a object order backup page and see, it might look like let's make sure this is on the front of the page. Well, regardless. Then what I did is I took a 3-point curve line and I kind of made a curve and I used object to path. I'm going to go to object. You can see I don't use it very much. And then I'm going to select my path and then I'm going to say 8 times. And look at that. Take my path away. And it kind of looked, maybe I added the other end when I did this one. And minor, you know what, that probably does need to be what I should do. And like I said, I'm not a graphic artist. I am a laser engraver that likes to play with colors. Kind of skew this a little bit more. Get our path back. And I know some people are going, Doug, you're wasting your time, but I really enjoy it. Ever since that first person asked for all they asked for a cut banana, and now I'm doing this. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or taught you a few tools or something, and thank you for watching.